Hello my gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm going to unbox this bag from Wendler. So Wendler is a brand which is based in France, and yeah, so we're just going to unbox this bag. So if you guys are interested to know what the bag looks like and what fits in it, please keep watching. All right, so this is how the box looks like, and the brand, as you can see, it's from Wendler, and this is from France. I believe they're based in Paris, if I'm not wrong. And I actually picked this bag up from 24s or 24s.com, which is again Paris-based website. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. So once you open the box, this is the care card, I think, and it comes with a dust bag. And once you open it, this is how the bag looks like. So that's the front, and it's got the brand label here, and then that is the back. As you can see, this is just such a beautiful leather bag. I believe that this design called Penelope bag. So yeah, so I just recently come across this brand. They have really beautiful bags, and I believe they're like very underrated for what they are. And so to open this, it's just magnetic closure. So you just open it like that, and then it looks like this from the inside. So I'll just take out the papers. So this is what it looks like. It's got the suede lining inside, which is like very nice and soft. As you can see, it's got two compartments, but it does not have like a slot to put your cards or anything like that. So this is what the inside look like. It as a shoulder bag, and you can make this bag as a crossbody as well. As you can see, this strap goes around. So I will show you guys. So as you can see, you just open this up from here, and then open it up here. I'm just going to open this. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And here you go. You got a long strap as well. Make it pretty much like a crossbody bag as well. So there's that. Use this, like you can use this bag as a work bag as well, like if you don't have to carry your laptop and all that. But I've been using this bag like as an out and about. I don't take laptops or anything like that to work, but I have not used this as my work bag yet. But if I'm like going out of shopping and all that, if you're going for dinners and all that, if that bag will complement my outfit, then I will just take this bag as my evening bag or my shopping bag and all that. So, and it is quite roomy as well, so you will be able to fit like quite few things in there. So we're going to try that. Personally, if I go out and all that, I don't really carry too much stuff with me anyway, but we will fill this bag to its capacity to see how much you can actually fit in. I just usually carry my card holder, so we're just going to put that in here, and then I'm going to put like one lipstick and one lip balm in here. And then my AirPods and hand cream. I usually just use these mini creams anyway. And then I got my nasal spray. And then in case if you just use diarrhea and all that, so I'm just going to put that in here. And a perfume bottle. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to close this. You can fit all of this without any problem. Right, so what I'll do is now I'll actually try to put the long wallet in the bag as well. So as you can see on this side where I have put lipsticks and all that, it's got plenty of space in there. So I'm just going to put that in there. It will usually have like my car keys as well, but they are downstairs at the moment. So as you can see, along with my card holder, I was able to fit a long wallet as well. So we'll try to close it. And there you go. So now it's pretty much like full to its capacity. So like I can fit like my sunglasses on the top as well if I need to. And yeah, and that will be it. After my sunglasses, I don't think I will be able to fit anything else. So as you can see, this is how much you will be able to fit in. Add your sunglasses in it. It only have to have with that cloth pouch. You can't fit a box in here. Or you may be able to fit box if it's a slim box. So you can just take the wallet out and you will be able to fit like a slim box of your sunnies. But anyway, so as I mentioned that I do not carry that much stuff with me anyway, so I'm just going to take the large wallet out anyway. I usually don't take perfumes, and if I will take perfumes, I'll just take those samples that you get from the shop. So but this is like, I think it's 30 ml, 50 ml. So this is not too heavy. All right, so now what I'll do is I will show you guys. I will try to do like more shots. So as you can see, you can just put it on the side as well. And then if I'm going to do crossbody, I can just do like crossbody as well. And if I want to keep it at the front, as you can see, I just don't like it wearing much. I don't like wearing this bag as crossbody. The reason is, see how the shape of this bag is. So because of the shape of this bag, it does not like stick to you. It does not stick to your body. So it just kind of like that. It sticks out because the design is like V. So it's not straight. So it's a V. So it doesn't hug your body. Like I would like it to be sitting like this, but it just goes like that. So I mean, like if I'm looking at myself in the mirror, you can't really tell, but because I can see it, so it's not a big deal, but I just wanted to put it out there just in case if it'll bother you later. But if suppose I'm like putting it at the back, then it's fine. Then I don't really have an issue, probably because I can't really see it. So alright guys, so that's all for today's video. I was ready to film this review and first impression of this bag because when I was looking into buying this bag, I couldn't really find any videos, especially in English. So there are a few videos on YouTube, but they are in like different language and I couldn't really understand what they're trying to say. So that's why I was like, okay, I really wanted to put this video out there. If any of you are looking into buying this bag or add this to your wish list, or wanted to find out, you know, a little bit more information regarding it, or wanted to find out like, you know, how it looks, what fits in it and all, everything like that, so it can help you. So anyway, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye my gorgeous.